nakaribishwa pale.
Jaji Maraga nionanitie kwaga kuiganira ni mubango wa waki wa igoti riu, akiuga kugonderera kwa wira ucio ni kurahotomia ikinya ria guthamiria motungata ma igoti wabici-ini icio thiini wa kaunti-ini ino.
And I'm very sad to say that in spite of the efforts we have made, that building has stalled. This is a building where we set aside 399 million shillings.
Maraga augite riu ruhonge rwa magoti no kinya rwambike mihango ya gwetha mwene kandarathi ungi, akiuga wira wa thirikari no nginyagia urikio ta uria gwathiriirwo.
I am afraid we are going to terminate the contract of this contractor immediately and have another contractor complete it. That is a decision the judiciary has taken, and it's not only this building, there are, I think, about 3-4 other buildings that we must terminate the contracts.
Maraga ekwaragia hindi igongona ria kuhingura igoti-ini ni tauni-ini ya Olkalau, kuria augite matanya ma thirikari ni kurehe motungata hakuhi na muingi itemi-ini ria gwetha kihoto gikinyaniru na kia na ihenya. Itacukia riri ni rigathiririo ni atongoria matiganite makiuga riu muingi wa gicigo giki ni ukuhumuka guthie ng'endo ndaya magetha motungata ma igoti.
For many years, residents of Nyandarua County, formerly known as Nyandarua District, had to travel long distances in their quest to access justice and judicial services outside Nyandarua County.
This court will be of much help to us as the people of Nyandarua. Even for small things. Wale watu wetu wajue kwamba sasa hii koti itatusaidia kutatua matatizo mingi haraka sana. Hata kama ni wale, kama mtoto huangalia mtoto wako mzuri, sasa utaenda Nyarua utakuja hapa. Tumalizie maneno.
This court is therefore an important cog in the social and economic wheel of Olkalau community and the wider Nyandarua.
Kahindi-ini o kau, jaji munene ni ahinyiririe acirithania na maabitha a magoti kuhimbiria tekinoronjĩ cia kĩrĩu kuheana ũtungata, kuona mũrimũ wa COVID-19 no ũrathiĩ na mbere na gũtamba, na ũguo he bata gwĩthema na njĩra ciothe kũnyitwo nĩ mũrimũ ũyũ, amu kũrigĩrĩria nĩ kwega kũrĩ kũhonia.
With COVID and the stage where we are now, there is no going back. We have to go on with the technology. And we, as Kenyans, let us take some of these matters very seriously.
Rianirira riri riukite o riri murimu wa COVID-19 uthiete na mbere na kugumira bururi, na o riri President Uhuru Kenyatta erega kuria o Mukenya kunyita itemi ria kugiririria thina uyu makiria. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma tauni-ini ya Olkalau kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua, njitagwo Peter Mwangi.